We have officially welcomed spring, and with the new season comes an opportunity to refresh your menu with vibrant, nutrient-packed foods that taste great while supporting your health. Today, we're talking about tips for springing into healthy habits, so how to make the most of fresh produce, simple recipes highlighting the season's best, and strategies to keep your meals light all season long. Now, one of the easiest ways to embrace the season is by focusing on fresh and colorful produce. Seasonal foods tend to be fresher, more flavorful, and affordable. And one of the superstars of spring is asparagus. Asparagus is rich in fiber, which is going to help support that healthy digestion, along with folate. And folate is going to help with DNA and RNA formation, also building red blood cells, and it also has a key role during pregnancy and fetal development. Radishes are another fantastic choice to add to your menu this season. They bring a nice spicy crunch to dishes and are loaded with the antioxidant vitamin C, which is essential in assisting with the body's healing process, and it helps to protect against cell damage caused by free radicals. Now, this bright spring salad features all your spring favorites. So you've got crunchy radishes, snap peas, and of course asparagus with a zesty lemon dressing and feta. And it's really simple to prepare. The dish comes together in only 10 minutes, and it can be prepared ahead of time to enjoy as a side throughout the week. Another way to improve eating habits this season is by keeping your plate colorful and swapping those heavier, decadent dishes that we associate with winter or fall months for more fresh, crisp, and light recipes. Snap peas, radishes, and cucumbers are going to be crunchy and hydrating, making them great for snacking or for infusing more texture and color into your recipes. One of my favorite ways to spotlight these is with this grilled shrimp snap pea salad. It's loaded with fresh veggies, and it's also packed with protein-packed shrimp, making it a satisfying dish that's not going to leave you feeling heavy or weighed down. A healthy and delicious option for a spring meal, the combination of seasonal produce creates a colorful and flavorful salad. And then another recipe that is light yet packs bold flavor is this roasted carrot and cauliflower bowl. Now, this is a plant-powered dish. It's completely vegetarian. You can make it vegan by opting out of the cheese, but it features basket and bushel favorites that are rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and C. Plus, it contains protein-packed chickpeas. So that's your plant-powered protein plus quinoa, a whole grain that's fiber-rich. This dish is finished with a simple herby vinaigrette perfect for springtime. And it comes together quickly. It's another great make-ahead meal for lunches or quick dinners. So spring is a wonderful time to embrace fresh, light, and nutritious meals. And by focusing on seasonal produce and keeping your meals colorful, healthy eating is going to feel effortless. You can find these recipes and more inspiration at foodcity.com.